Introducing David Achom, a name synonymous with excellence in wealth management and financial empowerment. An American certified wealth manager, Nigerian business magnate, and philanthropist, David stands at the helm of innovation as the founder and executive chairman of Afro Money Week Limited, the visionary force behind the celebrated Lagos Money Week. As the dynamic CEO of Pace Setters Entrepreneurs Network, PEN Global Group, David Achom's impact is nothing short of extraordinary. In 2022, he secured the second spot on the list of top 22 young trailblazers in Nigeria. The following year, he was honored with the prestigious Sir Ahmadu Bello Sardauna Platinum Award of Excellence, recognizing him as the Achiever par excellence by the National Association of Northern Nigerian Students. In 2023, David achieved global recognition with the Nobel Prize for Excellence, presented by the Youth Coalition for Education in Nigeria, YOCEN, acknowledging him as a beacon of hope in Nigeria. He also got an ambassadorship deal of 25 million naira with TenTrade, a globally renowned multi-asset brokerage firm. A leading figure in African Forex landscape, David Achom founded Elevator Trading Academy, imparting financial confidence to over 15,000 individuals across various social media platforms and through personalized training sessions. Beyond his impactful presence online, David is an acclaimed author and a sought-after speaker, delivering over 20 keynote speeches annually. Today, we welcome David Achom, a visionary leader, a beacon of hope, and a global force shaping the future of wealth management and financial education.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. Today is going to be very short, but straight to the point. Today is going to be very short, but spot on. It's going to be spot on. We'll just go straight to the point, okay? Well, you know how we do it. Drop your location in the chat box. Where are you joining us from? 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 Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Fabulous from Abeokuta. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you right now? I am in Abuja, actually. I've been here for a while. I think I'll still be here for a bit. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you? 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 Oh my God. We have a glorious morning emoji. Inya from Cameroon. Inya from Cameroon. Welcome, welcome, Inya. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Samuel Paul. Samuel Paul is in Onisha. Robert Patrick is in Lagos. Lagos. Where are you right now? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? I just want to know so I can be in touch with you guys. Where are you right now? We have Chris from Owerri. We have Chris from Owerri. Okay? We have Chris from Owerri. We have Thompson from Akwa Ibom. We have Thompson from Akwa Ibom. Okay? Where are you right now? I mean, it's good to know that we have people joining us from different parts of both the country and I would say the world, right? obviously, this is like, I will never take this for granted. There will never come that time where I don't feel grateful for the people joining to learn. There will never come that time. Take it from me. There will never come that time where I am, losing touch of the fact that you guys are joining every Monday to learn from me. There will never come that time. We have Nedu from Abuja. Nedu from Abuja. How are you, Nedu? Nedu from Abuja. Amazing, amazing. So you know what's going to happen? Before we start, I want all of you guys, please do it now. I want you to click the thumbs up button for the video. Just click the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this to other people. I want us to have an organic growth. So just click on the thumbs up button. Let the algorithm pick it. Okay? So click on the thumbs up. Do it now. Do it now. Click on the thumbs up button. Click on the thumbs up button. Click on the thumbs up button. And let's allow you to recommend to other people. Let's allow you to recommend to other people. All right? I believe I am audible enough. And without wasting much time, without further ado, let's get right into the chat. Let's get right into the chat. Okay? Bison, how are you doing? Without further ado, let's get into the chat. Let's get into the chat. Ooh. Ooh. I believe you guys can see my screen right now. I believe you guys can see my screen. I believe you guys can see my screen. Let's clear all of this. Let's start afresh. So we'll do GBP USD. Then we'll likely do a pair on indices. Likely. That's a volatility derivative. Will likely. It's not sure yet. It's not certain rather. We'll likely do a pair on a derivative if we have enough time. But yeah, I like to be realistic in trading. Okay. So if you have been realistic, we have this high, we have this low. The next valid high we see is this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Then you see price make a higher high and broke below. Then we started a downtrend. All right, you see the downtrend. And we have this low. We cannot pick this place as our next high because price has not taken it out. Let me expand the chart to only highlight this part. Yeah, I believe you can see my screen clearly. So from here, this high did not close above this place with a body. It's only with a wick. So we cannot pick it as a valid new high. Okay, we cannot pick it as a valid new high. So it means our most recent high It means our most recent high is this, and our most recent low is this. Price has not closed above these two places, either of them with a body. Until that happens, we are still in a bearish trend because price just changed bearish. So until price takes either the high or the low, we are still bearish. If price closes above the high on the 4-hour chart, then yes, we can see we are bullish. But right now, we are still bearish. So the next thing is go to line charts, pick significant areas. This is 1, 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay. Let's pick another one. One, 2, 3, 2. One, 2, 3. So spaces look good. All right. Next instruction says go to candle chart. 1-hour chart. On a 1-hour chart, what are we looking for? We cannot draw Fibonacci because price has gotten to 100. So we can't draw Fibonacci here. However, what we can draw is the area of consolidation because we see price consolidating around a particular zone, refusing to break below or break above. Okay, so we have this zone right here. Until price closes above it. If price closes above it, then we'll likely see buys. Right now, we're in a consolidation. Same here. See this consolidation right here. Until price breaks below. So what I'm expecting is either price does this, break below, and we're going down, or price breaks above and we're going up. But we cannot trade inside of this zone. It's unsafe. Are you with me, guys? It's very unsafe to trade inside of this zone. It's very unsafe to trade inside of this zone. It is extremely unsafe because price has not told us that it is ready or it is ready to move. Does that make sense? Price is not ready to move, so we cannot trade inside of that zone. For right now, what we can do is to just watch price. All right. That's really all we can do. Watch out for price and see what price does. Then we'll react. So the last 2 weeks, we've had more losses than wins. And many people have been scared. Coach David, is everything okay? Everything is very okay. All right. Now, the reason we are still in the game is because we have number one, risk management. All right. 1% per trade. It take you 10 trades, or rather 7 trades to grow your account. If your drawdown is 7% or 10% or 5%. Yes, you should be close to drawdown, but you should have not hit your SL. Your drawdown rather. And I'm trusting God that this week we'll have a lot of blues. I'm also feeling sad because my money is going. My money is going. And honestly, I've lost 3 accounts just the last 2 weeks. All right, I've lost 3 accounts. Not small accounts, oh. 130K, 190K. I think another 30K again. Yeah, so I know what it means to lose your money. But I can trust God that this week we'll smile a lot. All of us will smile. All right. It sounds very funny, but I'm done with the live stream for today. I don't want to drag you guys longer, except you have questions. If you have questions, then yes, we can stay longer. If you don't have questions, I'll share a video that I think you guys should watch. I made the video, by the way. If there's no question, I'll share a video that I think you guys should watch. So that you can learn something. I'll share a video that I think you guys should watch. Do you know anything about investment? Definitely I do, but I don't use it in my approach to Forex, but I do. Let me share my screen. And I want you guys to watch this video to the end with me. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're joining us from. So today I'm going to be teaching market structure, and if you stay to the end, you're going to, step out of the zone of confusion in terms of technical analysis, because I'll give you a superior perspective to build the market from. I've been trading for the last since 2018 to now, so that's like maybe 7 years, 8 years. I'll tell you for a fact, I sabi this thing. So stay with me. I'll be teaching you market structure, market structure. Market structure. I used to have a lecturer in school back then. He used to call it structure, and it's not a Ghanaian, it's a Nigerian. I don't know. Market structure. I think he's a biology lecturer, whatnot. Anyways, focus on this. So market structure, I'll teach you higher highs, higher lows, the same thing that you've known since, but you've not just looked at it from my perspective. Okay, so higher highs and higher highs slash higher lows, then lower highs slash lower lows. Okay, lower highs, lower lows. So just like higher highs, higher lows is called what? Uptrend. Lower highs, lower lows is called what? Downtrend. Okay, now the real question comes in: how do we know higher highs, higher lows? I'll give you different perspectives to this, I tell you, but all of them has one same rule. As long as it has not taken out the major structural high or low, we are still in the previous downtrend. Write that down. As long as it has not taken out the major structure, we are still in what? We are still in the previous trend. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. We are looking for a new high now. As long as it didn't take out this one, all these ones, as long as they were not taken out, guess what? We are still in an uptrend. Market structure. We are still in an uptrend. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you're not looking to change your trend. or say, okay, I think I'll start buying. Even if you have a higher time frame structure above that says you are selling from here, please don't sell until it breaks a structure. Do you understand? Until it breaks a structure. For instance, if this is a buy zone right here, or rather a sell zone on the higher time frame, and price gets here, I will not just click sell. Nope, that's not wisdom. What would I do? I would wait for price to break the previous or the current structure, then I will now switch my bias. Once it breaks the structure on the 1 minute time frame, if you check my last video, I spoke about time frame strategy. If it breaks the structure on that time frame, my M1 now changes to sell momentum, and then it does the same on the 5 minutes. My M5 now changes to sell bias, and it does the next on 15 minutes, and my M5 now changes to sell trend. Once those three have changed to sell and confluencing with either of the higher time frames strategy or rather higher time frames bias, I'm still going to be buying. But once it changes to sell and confluences here, then I'll start selling. Do you understand what I'm saying? Markets, structure. So let me show you something very quickly. Very quickly. Please come closer, come closer. Don't mind me, I'm just making fun. I'm not I'm not a Ghanaian. You guys are watching. So you have low, low, high, low, high, low. Come to this as well, you will see. Low, high. Now, low, high, low, high, low, consolidate, consolidate, high, low, high, low, high. Now, based on structure that I just said, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, we have this high. What's our next low? Is it A, B, all of this, C or D? I'm sure you will say A or B. Most of you will say B. No, it is D. Why is it D? Because D has not taken out the previous lowest low here. It's still above it. And that's the lowest point in this entire swing. All of this is one swing. The lowest point is D. So that is still our low after this high, low, then high. This I just said now, it looks like textbook. But let me take you to the real practical thing. Let me practical. Let me use another pair. Euro, for instance. Euro JPY, for instance. I like this. Now look at me. We have low, we have high, we have low, we have high. Remember what I said. After this high, we have this low, then we have this high. But now we gave us this low, and then it gave us this high, and then the low here, change of trend. Are you with me? Broke the low, gave us a new high, gave us this new low, consolidated. This is not the high, this is not the high, this is the highest point in this entire swing. So this is the next high after this low. And after this high, and look for the low that swept this low, and that's this point right here. So this is the next low. This is on the minor structure. If we're looking at it from a general overview, I would then say we have, follow me guys. I would then say we have this low, high, low, high, low. If I call this place the high, guess what? It means that any low I'm picking must have swept away this low. Let's see if there's any low like that. Let's pause first. So this is the low we are talking about here. If there's any low that took out this one here, this is the low, right? Is there any low? This got close to it, but has it taken it out? No. It means according to structure, this has not been swept out, so this can still be called a buy trend, even though it looks like it's selling right now. According to market structure, it looks like it's selling right now, but it has not taken out this low, so it means you are still buying. And many of you will pick it from the body. I'm picking from the week, but that's the lowest point we got to. Guess what? Every week is a body in a lower time frame. If the week is on the 1 minute time frame, go to 30 seconds time frame, it is a body. Every week is a body on the lower time frame. Go to 15 seconds time frame, is a body. So why are you guys saying I will not pick the week, I'll pick only the body? You're leaving money on the table because the week shows the price got there. Price got there. The body week is just a graphical representation. It shows that price got there. As long as price came here ever and you didn't take it out, guess what? According to structure.
Now, let me tell you the reason why I did not give up on Forex and the reason why you should not give up on Forex. I lost over $40,000 over the space of 3 years when I started learning Forex. I had access to a lot of privilege and had access to money, people's money, investors' money, inheritance, a lot of things. And I lost all that money in the space of 3 years. But this is the reason why I did not give up. Also, watch this video to the end because I'm going to tell you guys what will actually change your life at the end of this video. Now, I started learning Forex in 300 level. This was in 2016. I was on campus. I was privileged to meet a particular guy on Telegram. As at the third year of my trading, I met this guy on Telegram. He was making millions of dollars, literally. That was the first person I was seeing that had an account of over $200,000. I've never seen ever in my 3 years prior to then. I've never seen somebody that had $200,000 account, and this guy was making $50,000, $40,000, $3,000 every single day, bro. And you know, I found a way to use that because the guy is practically a ghost. He's not on Instagram, not on Facebook, nowhere. If you type his name, nothing will come out on the net. And I just found a way to connect with him because I think I'm a very likable person, right? So I connected with this guy and he gave me access to, first of all, his personal contact and then his house address. I went down to the east to meet him because I wasn't at the east at the time, and we met at a mall. And I had about maybe a 1 hour interaction with this guy. I came along with my friend and we had interaction with this guy. And trust me, that was life-changing. Let me tell you what was life-changing. Meeting with somebody who was making that kind of money from the same market that was losing money. It changed the paradigm for me. Trust me, that was one of the major reasons why I didn't give up in Forex. He told me about how he started trading, the losses he had, how that even at one time he lost $10,000 while he was still mourning about the $10,000. I mean, started raining, thunderstrike, wiped his laptop, even on top of his tears. Just to be funny stories and all of how his experience in the Forex market, was very terrible and how he was able to break through and all of that. And he also told
All right. Sorry, I stepped out for a second. So, like I was saying, with regards to, wait, give me 1 second. Yeah. So, with regards to market structure, I shared that video because I was trying to explain it here, based on what we're expecting on GBP USD. But it seemed as though some people were confused, and like I said, I didn't want to spend a lot of time explaining what I've explained again, and that was why I shared this particular video. So you see price gets there and drop again, so wait for price to finally break either above it or below it before we do anything. But we can't trade right now because that will be us trading in what inside of the unsafe zone. All right, that will be us trading inside of the unsafe zone. So I will update you guys on both the Instagram, Telegram, and the WhatsApp groups when the trade is ready. But I doubt it will be ready till about, let's say, 11, 12 p.m. Why? Because I have to see price break above it and retest, or break below it and retest. But I'll watch it and I'll update you guys, okay? Someone said, oh, okay, you guys were chatting on the comments. Okay, sir, do you know anything about inducements? Then that's a fabulous venture. Adichie said, inducement is simple liquidity. Chibu says, sir, please, does Fibonacci work on synthetic indices? Oh, yes. By the way, I'm even trying out a strategy, and I'll let you guys know once I'm done. I've been backtesting on VIX 25S. I've been backtesting a particular strategy on it. Someone says there is this video you did on review pattern. The inverse head and shoulder, what you say it must do because a considered value was true. I tested it and confirmed it. Oh yeah, I don't teach rubbish. I don't teach rubbish, okay? So you guys can go and rewatch the video. It's on my channel here. Go to videos, you see different videos I've done for free. So go rewatch them. Improve your knowledge. You only make from the markets as much as you know per time and utilize. So go and learn something new today, and I'll see you guys at the top. Now you might be wondering, there's no trade again today. It's better we have 2 trades in the whole month or 5 trades in the whole month that are good, and to have a lot of trades that are bad. So for today, there's no trade again until I see a confirmation. All right. So it's better that way of discipline than throwing your money in the markets. Remember, this is Buhari time. You cannot be throwing money up and down. Okay. Sorry, not Buhari, Tinubu, Bala Blue. So you cannot afford to throw your money away anyhow. As little as $40 is, that's about 65K. In case you don't know, 65K is a lot of money to buy something. All right. So you guys have a good time, and God bless you. God bless you. Take care, guys.